you know who it is. It's your boy, Alex Audio Tech, with another unboxing. We got a new Zealot speaker that's waterproof. It's IPS7, water and dust proof, so you can take this one to the beach and you can take it to a lot of places with no issues, guys, because it is waterproof and dust proof. When it has IPS, I'm just taking the sticker that shows my address, so when I open the box, it doesn't expose my address. Okay, so, and my name. Okay, so this thing open. Okay, so I know it has a model number. It's a S something, the speaker. Okay, so here goes the speaker. I bought it in blue, but the box is black. I don't know why, but the box is black. But here we go. It says best wired boost wireless speaker, 20 hertz. Let's see what else it says here. 7.4 volts. Okay. Let's go to this side. Let's go to the front of the box. Okay, so this is the S97. I know I had a model number. The S97. And right here you can see it says IPS. It's waterproof. Micro SD card, aux cable. Is a power bank as well. And this thing came out packaged up really good. You see? I'm gonna have to use the knife to this. I want to put it in a way where I'm not gonna cut myself. I call this one Excalibur. It's my favorite knife. Well, one of my favorite knives. Well, it is my favorite one because the other one doesn't have the same riches. I own two of the same knives, but the other one's different. So now we can see it better. With that plastic out the way. Bought it on sale. It's not on sale no more, but the affiliate link will be dropped down in the comment section down below. Still on sale for $150. This usually goes for $190. So yeah, it says IPS7. So it's water and dust resistant. So you can take this to the beach and you can take it to most places. Most places you go, you know, pool, beach. Let's get this open. First, I'm gonna be unboxing it backwards. Oh, wow, transporting the speaker, they did a number here. We got the strap, because it is a heavier speaker. We got the strap, it comes in the box. Damn, I didn't expect this speaker to be this heavy. And we also have the reverse wireless charge, you know, for reverse wireless charging, the USB type C, the USB type A, and then we got the aux cable. A lot of people like when speakers bring the aux cable. I don't really care about that cable, because I plug up my speakers to my phones. Okay, here we go. In its full glory. Let's adjust the tripod. Okay, here we go. So it's the S97. So it's model Zealot S97. Okay, so you got USB type C to charge it, USB type A for reverse charging, and then we got USB type A output, yeah, to charge other devices. And I guess you could charge it via USB type A. That don't make no sense. They should have just made a USB type C to charge other devices like they did on the S98, the one that I got, or 96, I forgot. So the aux, and then of course FT card, memory card slot. Then this has got to be on here tight like it comes, or make sure it is on here tight when you first buy the speaker and it gets delivered. There you go. Now it's ready to be submerged. Love the fabric, but this is a heavier speaker. Damn, this thing probably weighs like, I don't know, maybe like 10 pounds. Yeah, it's a heavy, heavy speaker, so I'm guessing it's gonna be super loud. So let's turn this on. Love that it lights up completely. Then we got the EQ modes right here. When it blinks like this, we got the play, minus, lives, light show. Oh, I like this one. This one has a light show button. EQ, sync, and power. So let's hook it up with my favorite phone, the iPhone 15 Pro. And let's see how it's, oh, leave me alone. Jesus, I need to buy more storage. I got too much stuff saved on my phones. Okay, so under Bluetooth, let's see what it comes under. Okay, it says ZEALOT-S78. Yep. Under Bluetooth, because I know you guys, that's really important to you guys to see. Okay, let's go to non-copyrighted music. What is wrong with YouTube? It should have saved the ones that I usually listen to. Let's see. Sorry guys, I'm looking. Oh, here we go. Let's play with this one first. All right now it's halfway, guys. It is halfway. Look at the RGB lights or LED lights. But it doesn't specify. Yeah, this thing has a lot of bass. A lot of bass, guys. Let's turn it all the way up. So it has 3 different light modes, guys. It has the floor shaking. So I'm just gonna leave it on, regular EQ because it made the song lower. It made the sound lower for the voices when you turn on the bass boost. So I'm just gonna leave it on default EQ. That's why most of the videos that I've seen on here, people left it on default EQ, and I see why. definitely you could make a party with the speaker. This is technically one of the loudest speakers I own. Zealot really blew my mind. Like right now, the speaker's on sale for $150, plus extra 10% off. So you're gonna pay around $143. The affiliate link will be pinned down below in the comment section down below, guys. Make sure you grab yourself one through the channel because it does help support the channel, so I can keep pushing out these content, keep getting these speakers for you with my Amazon paychecks. Let's be honest. So anyway, moving forward, this thing is amazing. This thing is super loud. You can take it to the beach. You can make a party at your house with this speaker. It is definitely pushing over 100 watts. This thing is clear. I don't hear no distortion. Leave the EQ as factory. Because you guys seen when I turned on the EQ for more bass, it took voice away. Like it focused on the treble, whatever technical term is, on the bass instead of the sound quality. When you leave it on factory, the sound quality is amazing. So to me, this speaker is a major buy. It is a great buy. Don't wait till it goes up back up to 190 and get it now while you could get it $40 off. $40 off is $40 off, guys. Definitely, it's a great speaker. I like it a lot. Is it heavy? Yes, that's why it comes with the straps. It is definitely this is one of the heaviest speakers I own. Seriously, it is, and I'm not even joking. It is. It is one of the most heavier speakers I own. But the sound quality is amazing. I love blue, so you know I had to get it blue. I had to get it blue, baby, blue. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the video, guys. Make sure you keep subscribing, keep liking, keep watching, keep supporting. Keep commenting if you have any questions, and I'm definitely going to catch you guys on the next one. Oh, and I know a lot of people are probably wondering why I always get speakers with handles. Why don't I just get, like, you know, there'd be nice speakers, like boombox speakers on sale. Because I grew up in the 90s, guys. I'm about to be 43 years old. You know, not a young, and well, I'm still considered young, but, you know, I grew up in the 90s. And all of my speakers had a handle except my stereo speakers inside my house. You know, like the DJ speakers, them huge ones. Yeah, you can't carry that everywhere. But every other speaker in my house had a handle. So I want to be able to carry it, you know, and listen to music and bug people with loud music. To be honest, that's what I used to do in the 90s. Walk all around blasting music. And that's what I do right now in 2025 with these speakers. Because I take them and I play copyrighted music and they sound amazing. So yeah, guys, just wanted to give you guys a breakdown why I don't really buy speakers that don't have a handle. And I don't really like speakers with straps. I think it doesn't look right. Just throw a handle on that thing, whether it's this type of fabric, and make it look nice, man. That strap stuff, I don't like it. You know, I know a lot of people that don't like the straps. That's why I don't really like JBL. Like when they make bigger speakers or even medium-sized speakers, they don't put handles. You gotta buy this piece, this extra piece that goes around and holds it with a little handle. I don't want to have to do all that. The speaker should have a handle, JBL, especially with the prices you guys are charging. This is way less than the what is it called, the JBL Boombox 3, and it's like the same bulkiness, and it's way less. That thing is $500. This thing, and that has a metal handle, of course, because they wasn't not gonna put a handle on it. But Jesus, this is cheaper than their other speakers, and it has a handle. Is what I'm trying to say. It is a bigger speaker, so yeah, they need to do something about that. But yeah, guys, like, comment, and subscribe. Like I said before, take care, God bless, and be safe. And if you have any questions, hit that comment section, and I'm gonna catch you guys in the next one. You all ready? And thank you for watching.